Do you have any experience working in Oracle DBA any time?
No, Karthik, I don't have an experience in Oracle DBA. I am essentially a Java J2EE developer.
Oh, very good.
Essentially a Java certified professional rather. 6 years of experience is what I have. And at this point in time, I'm working with Citigroup Pune. And
Come again? Come again?
I'm working with Citigroup in Pune.
Okay.
And
In which location?
Pune, Pune.
Oh no, in which location in Pune?
Okay, it is Eon IT
Magarapata?
Park.
Eon IT Park.
Eon
Okay,
IT.
okay. Eon IT Park. Okay, I used to work in Magarapata. That's what the reason I was telling.
Okay, I stay in Magarpata.
You stay in Magarapata. Okay, I used to work in Magarapata. That's it. Yeah. Okay.
And as far as Oracle is concerned, I'm a SQL PL/SQL developer. But then now of late, administration, so I decided to go for Oracle DBA course.
Very good, sir. I think you are in my track, I think so. Literally speaking, to be honestly speaking up, because I was a Java programmer. I started my career as a Java programmer, and now I have moved nearly. I have nearly 4 years of experience in Java.
Okay, -6.
4 years of experience in Java, and now I have 3.5 years of experience in plus DBA.
Okay, good.
Okay, so that's my profile. When I used to be a Java programmer, I used to work in Magarpata night. And the thing is, I used to work for both actually. The thing is, I used to work in which building? I used to work in 9th building, I think so. Okay. Okay. So anyway, so first of all, so how you want to learn the things? Anyway, if you are a PL/SQL developer, then I think you would have having a good knowledge on the things on the basic SQL. Is it correct or not? The basic SQL is pretty strong for you. So here in our classes, we will be discussing about the Unix.
Okay.
We will be. Are you good at your Unix commands? I think so. Obviously, you'll be having a. Is that correct? Okay.
Yes, I am acquainted with Unix commands. It is quite possible that I may not know all of them.
Yeah, because anyway, it's not a problem. Okay. So what we will do is we will have anytime. Did you learned or are you quite aware of knowing the things like the VMwares?
Actually, I have not worked on them, but yes, I know about VM and virtualization.
So here we will going to work on the virtualizations here.
Okay.
Is it clear? So in the VMware workstation, or else we will go with Oracle VirtualBox.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So the first point is I'm going to work on Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle has its own virtual machine. Can you see here, please? Oracle has its own VirtualBox, Oracle VM VirtualBox.
Okay.
Because each and every Oracle product are coming from, in real time also some of the things are working in virtualization, to be honestly speaking of, because you need to know those things. Okay. So in this virtualization we are going to install Linux operating system on that.
Okay.
So I'm not a Windows guy. Honestly speaking up, I won't be training you in the classes Windows.
Okay.
Literally, I will be training you on the Linux.
Okay.
Is it clear? So what we'll have? We'll have the Oracle VirtualBox. After that, Oracle Enterprise Linux.
Okay.
Is it clear? So what we are going to have? We are going to have the Oracle Enterprise Linux. So the Linux, which version we are going to have? We are going with Linux 6.3, which is the latest updated one. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Which version we are going with? 6.3. Or else you can go with RHL if you have a license key, but we won't have a license key, so that is the reason why we go with this. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So if your machine is a 64-bit machine. It's better. Is it clear? It's a 64-bit machine. So it will be better for us to install it. Is it clear? So this is the first part. So after in this we are going to install the Oracle Enterprise Linux. Means, so how to start it? I'm starting the virtual machine. See the thing. That is the reason why I was showing you 64-bit. If you see very clearly, can you see here? 64-bit it is. And which server I am starting? Oracle Linux server. Is it clear? Can you see, sir, right now?
Yes, I can.
Oracle Linux server, which version? 6.3. Okay. Let it start. Same setup you'll be having up.
Okay, and what if the machine has a 32-bit Windows 7 then?
My machine is 64-bit.
No, if mine is 32-bit, can I still have this installation or do I need?
Oh yeah, sure. We will do it. I'll do.
Okay.
If it is, see, here it is minus 64-bit. If it is 32-bit, what is the difference? We will download 32-bit machine.
32
That's it.
Okay.
That's it. What is the difference? Nothing is there. Is it clear? That's it. It's not a big deal. So now in the same manner, what we are gone with? What is the username?
I can see
Oracle.
that Oracle, I suppose. Okay.
Exactly. So after installing on the VMware, we have installed which one? Inside that we have installed Linux operating system. Is it correct? Okay. So which, see, you can check uname -a. You can check the details. Is it clear?
Yes.
So after this thing, in this machine, we are going to install. We need to install a software called Oracle Enterprise Linux. So no, I'm very sorry. Oracle Database 11G R2 Linux based versions. What is 11G R2 in the sense is, what is the version? 11.2.0.3.0.
Okay.
Which version? 32-bit version.
Okay.
If your machine is configured. Is it clear?
Yes.
So like this, we are going to have a software setup in your machine. So if you want to work with me, so this is the thing. The first things I do, what are the things we do is, in Oracle, if you do a certification, what happens in the sense is, so they will be asking you come on, where it is? If you are going to if you are going to give a certification examination, so then what you need to give? First of all, what is the chapter? Even though it is the second chapter, install the Oracle software by using Oracle Universal Installer. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So this is the chapter, this is a certification thing. This is a course content of certification. Literally speaking, we will be covering each and every topic. I will be covering each and every topic. Don't worry about it. Is it clear?
Yeah.
A certification examination. So I'm going to have I will be explaining what is the memory structure, what is the process structure, the database architecture. Anyway, anything you go open it, first of all you need to try to know about the Oracle database architecture. So we will be discussing by practical way. In my class, you will have the complete practical oriented classes. Is it clear? That's what I want to tell you. When I'm doing the installations, why I'm doing the installations in the sense is you need to work with me together. So what are that? In the class, if I teach it, the theoretical thing, I'll go with the next thing only. I'll go to the practical thing. That's it. I don't wait it. Okay. In the class itself, I'll do it. First half an hour will be or 15 minutes, or else directly I'll go to the machine. How you need to work, how you'll get the tasks. These are the things we discuss it in the real time. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So right now, apart from this, if you have any questions, you can say me right now. First thing, please.
First is you talked about this installation. So would you be providing any kind of this software for installation on my machine? Or
Oh, it is. Some are free, sir. Some I will be sharing up.
Sharing as in what will be the mode of sharing?
Google Drive.
Okay, thanks.
Only you'll get from me. What you'll get, only the database thing you'll get it.
Okay.
The remaining things has to be done from your side. Just two things.
Okay.
This thing also you can get from the this thing. Actually, this is a literally speaking. This thing is this version you won't get in this version you won't get in the Oracle website. That's the problem. This is only the corporate versions.
Okay.
So that's the reason why you should have my Oracle support. Then only you can download it. Otherwise, it's a little tough. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So
the other thing is there is a course content on TeksonIT.com for Oracle 11G DBA training. Okay. It does not mention anything about indexes or SQL tuning. Would anything of this sort be covered here?
What is that? TeksonIT.com.
I'll give you the link. Hold on.
No. I don't need it. I am just typing up. Just a minute. Where it is there? PDF?
The last yes.
Okay.
No. The link below this.
Yeah, that's.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Managing it, advisory, AWR, checking, archaeolog. Yeah. What I have given, they have done it. I think so. Yeah. The same thing I cover it. Yeah.
So nothing related to SQL tuning or indexes and their structures?
Tuning part I'll do it, sir, but indexes I won't do it. To be honestly speaking up, because it's a little tough thing, but because everybody won't be skillful in that, because we work in which I work in which area, that's the thing I was highlighting up. That's it.
Okay, fine.
Because we should be very frank enough. Otherwise, after coming things, it should not be very fair enough. Is it correct?
Yes, absolutely.
That's the thing. But the remaining things, whatever the things are there in the course content, I will follow my rules.
Okay. And hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
And since I'll be wanting a weekend batch, what will be the duration? I mean,
how many hours you want to set, sir, together?
I mean, you tell me the total duration that is for this.
See how many, see whether you have whether you want to go very cool or else how the things in weekends also. I just want to be very specific on that, because I need to slot my things also, na? So in weekends, Karthik, I just want to spend this many hours. I don't want to spend this many hours like this. So you should dedicate me this many hours. So in my subject I want to go very slow, because some people how things it depends means they depends on the subject. If they understand the subject, they'll go within fastly the boom. Is that correct? Means first of all, what is that initially I will make you to understand the subject a lot. That's the thing I do it. Once you understand the subject, you can do anything. That I'll do.
Okay. See, Karthik, I'll available only in weekend batches or weekends, and anytime between 3 hours or 4 hours every day would be good enough. Let's say Saturday 3 hours, Sunday 3 hours, 4, Saturday 4 hours, Sunday 4 hours, whatever is convenient to you.
Saturday and Sunday, that's it. 2 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours.
Whatever is okay with you, 3 hours, 4 hours. I won't stretch beyond 4 hours because I'll have some other activities also.
Yes, exactly.
So I'll be available only on Saturday and Sunday. Weekdays would be very difficult.
Yes, that's true thing.
Weekends, 3 or 4 hours, whatever is okay. I mean, what is your usual schedule? If you take
I take the weekend batches, okay sir, but I can promise you on Saturday compulsory I'll be taking if you need money more hours also, but Sunday it's only day that I used to spend with my family. The thing is that I can take in the mornings, in the early mornings.
Early as in?
Early in the mornings and or in the nights.
No, early in the morning, what will be the time slot if it is early in the morning or if it is in the night?
Like 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
And in the night?
Night, your wish. Okay. Your wish.
So, I mean, I'll be okay with any of the two, early or night. I mean, I have no...
that depends upon you, sir. That depends upon you.
Okay, in that case, we will decide it.
Yeah, we'll decide according to day wise, sir.
Yes.
That's it.
And one more thing, let's say if it is 3 or 4 hours Saturday, Sunday, whatever we decide, what is the total number of hours that you usually devote to this course, or how much hours?
I will be using for 35 to 40 hours, 35 to 40.
Okay, fine.
But it's not a time constraint. I'm not a time guy. To be honestly, people, I'm just saying you nothing.
Yeah, that's okay. So, Karthik, that's it from my side as of now.
Yeah. Any more things you want to know? Anything else? You need a demo?
Karthik, whatever we have discussed is good enough. As you said, you will be covering everything while we go into the actual sessions.
Yes,
so that will be good enough. I mean, whatever we have discussed is pretty satisfactory to me.
And after the thing is that I'll talk on the subject only. To be honestly speaking, I'll be speaking with my subject only. Purely. That's it. I can give a confident. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Anything else? Nothing. So
nothing. No.
So will you start from this week or else next week?
Not possible with this week because tomorrow I have a meeting in the office. Probably I'll attend it from home only. I'll talk to the coordinator of this Tekson IT and I'll update them. Or either
because to be honestly speaking, I'm also literally busy this week, so it was unscheduled, na? So if you don't mind, we'll start from next week itself, okay? But sincerely, I'm saying you that if the things, what does that mean? If I'll have a Saturday, then I'll take that particular things. If I'm not covering on that day, but please give me another option also, like that. I'm just telling you. Is it okay?
No, that's okay. Yeah.
That's what. Because it happens, something happens suddenly. That we cannot do anything. Please, you need to understand it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Anyway, thank you. Thanks a lot. And you can talk to our coordinators, and she will be guiding you all the things. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.